Us here at the Mercedes-Benz Connection Centre, we have 4 different staff members on eVHC Triage, and we're working across 5 different sites. So we've got Southend, Chelmsford, Ipswich, Colchester and Lakeside.
I used Triage through most of my working life as a manager. I found it to be very easy to use. The traffic light system just works in everybody's favour, both from our side and from the customer side.
You know, we can send it off and the guys around the corner can pick it up and parts can pick it up, and it saves us so much time running around, going forwards and backwards.
From the technician, parts department and obviously the workshop controller, and then it's down to us to call that customer and make them aware of anything that we've identified on their vehicle.
We have a lot of pre-populated data on there, so we don't have to go through and type out every single tyre brand, every single tyre size.
Seen a massive growth from March. We was upselling redwork at 62% to currently we're at 91%. So the average over the period is around about 86–87% of upsell.
Used Triage for 8 years now, and I've seen it evolve into sort of what it's become now, which is an absolutely incredibly streamlined system that's got some amazing features in it. It has everything that we need on it to be able to tell that customer and give that customer the best experience that we can.